To begin this meditation, bring yourself to a comfortable seated position, with your back straight but not stiff. Your legs should be uncrossed, with your feet flat on the floor. Rest your hands on your lap or your legs, whichever feels best to you. See if you can drop your shoulders away from your ears. Allow your body to soften and be fully supported by the chair. If it feels okay to you, close your eyes. Now gently bring your attention to your breathing. Just notice your breath coming in and going out. There's nothing for you to do. We're not trying to achieve anything, just bringing our awareness to the present moment. So just observe your breath, breathing in and breathing out, feeling the full inhalation and the full exhalation. Now, when you're ready, move your attention to your body and notice what sensations you can feel. If you become aware of any tension or tightness, see if you can let it go on an out-breath. Breathing out, softening. If you notice your mind has wandered, just acknowledge this, and then very gently bring your attention back to the body and any sensations you can feel. Now, if it feels okay to you, imagine you are walking down a forest path. As best you can, notice the colours of the leaves on the trees, the vibrant green grass, the beautiful wild flowers, and the hues of the blue sky. Become aware of any sounds in the forest. Maybe you can hear the wind gently blowing in the trees. Feel the sun warming the skin of your face. Breathe in the fresh country air and feel it filling your lungs. Notice the temperature of the air and how that makes your body feel. Smile to yourself as you experience this walk in nature. Up ahead, notice a large log lying on the ground. Allow yourself to sit on this log for a while. Tune into the forest, and once again notice any sounds. Maybe you can hear birds or insects. Feel the log beneath you, supporting you just as the chair is physically. Notice the texture and pattern of the bark of the log. And now, feel your breath coming in and going out. If your mind has wandered again, as it naturally will, just gently bring it back to sitting here on this log, absorbing the peace and tranquility of the forest. In a moment, it'll be time to leave the log. So when you choose to do so, imagine standing up and begin walking back into the forest. As you do so, feel a sense of gratitude in your heart for having had this experience. When you feel ready, take a deeper breath in and breathe out slowly. Become aware once again of your body sitting on the chair. Feel your feet on the floor, grounding you. Move your fingers and toes and stretch if that feels good to you. Open your eyes when it feels right. Thank you for sharing this meditation with me.